Hey, boys and girls, congratulations! We've made it to the end of distance learning. Woo! Week 12, 13 weeks if you count spring break. But seriously, you have all done a fantastic job with our distance learning, and I really just appreciate all your hard work. If you didn't notice, I did update all of the assignments on MyConnect, and I'll continue to do that tonight and tomorrow. But eventually, I'm going to have to kind of cut off the time to turn in a late assignment. You're going to get all of your reports probably by Thursday. That'll have all your information from Freckle and from Lexia and extra math and all your assignments and all your completed work. So it's not really any actual scores, but it does show kind of the work that you've completed and celebrates that. So good job to all of you. You can see this week there's a few things. It looks very different, but there's a few things that are really important. One, there's a student survey up here. This is from the school district, and it's really important that you fill this out. This is the student perspective on distance learning. The other one is a Flipgrid with our buddies. So we've got that on there, a Flipgrid, Longhorns and Bears Flipgrid. We can kind of just, as long as you post something positive and fun, maybe something you can do over the summer for our buddies and kind of your last chance to connect with them. And then also Mesa Verde has this Words That Matter Flipgrid. Is just like a really positive, encouraging campaign for going out there and saying what words are really important to share to make people feel good and to feel positive about their time at school. And so this is read over this, and then you can participate in that as well. You notice we have 2 Zooms this week, a small group Zoom. The groups are different, so they're all on Tuesday, though. There's a noon, a 1, and a 2 o'clock, all on Tuesday. You can see which group you're in there. And then on Thursday, we're going to play this game called Two Truths and a Lie. So you have to think of 2 things that are true that maybe nobody knows about you. They could even be unique things that people might think are a lie. And then one thing that sounds like it could be true, but it's not. Okay, so that's the idea for us to learn a little bit about each other here and to kind of do one final share out at the end of the school year. And there's a few games we're going to play on Thursday too. And then you can see here most of the work for this week. There's some books and there's some discussions and some fun math games that you can play. Father's Day, you can kind of pick and choose these activities here. And some of them, if you don't get to them till summertime, that's fine too. There's a lot of good stuff in here. So this is all nothing that's going to be recorded as a score. Just this top section is the most important part. The Zoom meeting is going to be the same all week long. So it's the same ID number, same password. Remember, don't forget to fill out that survey. I'll put this video right up here as soon as I'm done. And then there is a teacher parade we're going to drive our cars around the neighborhood. So there's a map for that. If your house isn't on the map, just go to the nearest street close to you. We're going to try to show you where we're at on the route, but you can kind of get an idea. It's probably about an hour-long route, and so you just try to figure that out that way. But so it's going to be an exciting week, and there's a lot as far as a teacher to wrap up. Not so much for you guys, but definitely those things at the top of our chart here. And I just want to tell you guys, it's been so great going through this time with you. It's been difficult, I understand, but you guys have made it doable. You guys have worked hard. I wouldn't rather go through this with any other group of students. So I'm really proud of you, and I really have enjoyed our time together. And I just want you all to know that. And I really would have liked to come back together as a class because I miss you all dearly. But unfortunately, we just weren't able to do that, and we're making the best of the situation. And I really appreciate all of your hard work and all your dedication and your positive attitude. And I'm hoping this summer all the restrictions lift, and we're able to go back and have some fun times through the summer. But if not, that's okay too. We're going to stay safe. We're going to take care of ourselves, and we're going to get through this together. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. And have a great week, and we'll see you on Tuesday and on Thursday for Zoom this week. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.